Hey, we're going to talk about upgrading the front sight blade on an 03A3 rifle to a Marine Corps style sight, which has this little where the tip hooks back to the rear to eliminate glare, and it's a wider sight. And believe it or not, this makes it a lot easier to get a good sight picture, and it makes it really easier to center up on a target with a finer detail compared to the factory sight. This is an A height sight. Let me show you the different sizes. And you can see these come in A, B, C, and so on, and they're different heights. And you can get these in the thin Army version or the thicker Marine Corps version. So this A height, what was happening is this makes the tip of the barrel lower when you've got your sight picture. So I was about 4 inches low at 200 yards. Now on this rifle, it starts at 200 yards is the first setting. Okay, 200 yards in 50-yard increments. So when that is set to the lowest setting, it should hit perfectly, in my opinion, at 200 yards. So what I did is I ordered the B height, which is lower, 15 lower. So this is the paperwork talking about installing it, and this is the eBay seller that makes these and sells them. And I think these are very good quality. Oops, there you go. And let me show you how to install it. All right, I've already installed this one, but it's a breeze. You don't need an actual punch block. You can put a piece of wood under it to keep this stabilized. And then what you want to do is on the left-hand side, start off by putting a small center punch and tap it one time to get it started. And then that will allow you to put this like 0.4 or 5 size punch in that hole, and you'll feel it countersunk in that hole, knowing that it's the correct size. It's not going to stretch or open up this hole, and then tap it on out. Then put the new sight in, and then put the punch in from this side to line it up. And once it's lined up, drive it back this way, which will use this as a slave punch. It'll come back, be pushed back out, and you'll be just tapping it flush, and then you'll have this wider sight. Let me show you what it looks like. Try to let you see what the sight picture changes to. So you can see the sight's thick, but it's very rugged, and it actually gives you a beautiful sight picture. It's easy to pick up against backgrounds and centering on the target. So this is it's not intuitive, but it's a far superior sight in my opinion. Now here's a document. I've sort of collected a lot of information, the eBay seller where I bought the Marine Corps sights. Just a lot of information. If you want to pause at different places and read these paragraphs, you may find this information valuable. And hopefully this helps you. This is one of my other rifles. This is a 1943 all original. It's never been issued. But you can see that the sight picture you get there, that hood is too low. This is the Army version, but the Marine Corps, if you want to fork out a few bucks, has a much larger loop over the top, and you can see through it and get a good sight picture and just leave it on the gun all the time. I don't like sight hoods in general. I like the sight picture a lot better without one, but it is something to consider. I hope this helps you out, and I've got several of these 03A3s. One's a sniper version. This is one of the iron sight versions. This one is rebuilt to new by CMP, It's all new old stock parts. It has a 1944 brand new barrel on it, and then it's basically a 43 all correct parts on the receiver, and then it has been restocked with the pistol grip or C-style stock. I really love this one. It is a mega shooter, and so this gun just shoots fantastically. And so hope you enjoy this. Get out there and shoot some of these old rifles. They are really great.